Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and let me share with you how to add the photo to your contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contacts, then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. And here let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. Into device photos we've got our own gallery, so we can choose our own photo and set it as a contact photo. We can also tap on the camera and your device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. And if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. We've got Google Photos right here, so we've got our backtop photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, you can choose something from those options and find something which resembles you about this person. So let me maybe choose this one. Just tap on the option. Here in those illustrations you've got also some presets, so you can change the colors, and after tapping on this option, and this option also appears in all of the previous sections, so if you will choose, for example, your own photo, you will still be able to do that. What I'm talking about is the cropping, so you can zoom in or out the photo. You can also change the position of it just by tapping on it and changing the position of your finger. You can also change the size of this highlighted square or a highlighted circle actually, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this operation is this circle is responsible for it. So after positioning it just like you want to, just tap on choose. And remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during the calls from that number. Of course, on other device, the calls are not available here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.